Hey everybody, today I want to show you alerts on Overlay Expert, how to add them, what you can do with them, and whatnot. So once we're inside of Overlay Expert, I usually use the actual web page to do my building. So we're going to go over here to the right hand side, we're going to go to add a new layer. That will add a new layer in. We can call this a new sub alert. Right, that'll be a new sub alert. As you can see, it's over on the left hand side. It gets a little tricky when you're using the phone, so let's go ahead and upload a new alert. We're going to upload a GIF here from Giphy.com. There we go. We're going to use that. That'll be our little alert. As you see, you can't actually see the whole thing right now. So let's go ahead and go to size and position. We're going to bump this off by about 600. That's close enough to the middle for me for right now. And we're also going to do the same thing for the top. There we go. Maybe not so far down. Let's go 300. No, not 30. 300. Thank you. Okay. Height, we'll just go 650. There we go. And then we'll go over here and go 600. Okay, that's good enough for me for right now. Just so you guys can get the idea of how to do it. Then we'll go to alerts. Event-based. Then you'll have to choose the event. So here we have all of the Twitch events you could possibly have. And we did this for a new sub. So Twitch subscribe. So when somebody subscribes, this will pop up. Let's do sound. Let's look for a suitable... it doesn't fit with the animation, but you get the idea. You could bring in some custom sounds as well. Entry. Let's say that we do perspective down return. That's ugly, but you can see we have plenty of options to choose from when you go through here and do these alerts. And there's the animations. This might be off when you first do it, so you could preview the animation right there. You can also change how long it's showing and slow mode. And then you'll see the little thing on there. It says new content item. You come down here to content, go down here where it says new content item right there, and you can edit this, or you can just delete it. You don't need to say anything. And there you go. We've added in a alert, just like that, nice, fast, and easy. And every time somebody alerts, every time somebody subs, it'll toss up the alert, and it'll be beautiful. I hope that helped you guys. If you guys have any questions about how to activate or turn on the alerts, if things weren't clear enough, please let me know. And thank you very much. Bye-bye.